Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn about Standard 3 EVS subject. In our previous video we have started our additional exercise of chapter 9, It's Raining. Today we are going to continue it. Question 3, fill in the blanks. First, Appu gets days from the banana tree. And the answer is Appu gets banana from the banana tree. Second one, an elephant drinks water with its days. An elephant drinks water with its trunk. Third one, Appu knew that the banana trees needed water because they were days. And what is the answer, students? Appu knew that the banana trees needed water because they were dropping. People use days to save themselves from rain. And the answer is people use umbrellas to save themselves from rain. Now the fifth one. Plants need days for living. And the answer is plants need water for living. Next one. The rainy season is also known as the days. The rainy season is also known as the monsoon. Now match the following. First one, Appu's trunk. In column A, in column B, first sometimes come and go very quickly. Is it correct or wrong? Yeah, it's wrong. Stores water. Yes, Appu's trunk stores water. Banana trees. Sometimes come and go very quickly. No, it's wrong. Floats on water. Wrong. Gives bananas. Okay, banana trees give bananas. Clouds sometimes come and go very quickly. Paper boat floats on water. Okay, now the next, answer the following questions. Why did Appu pour water on the banana trees? And the answer is because the banana trees were dropping without water. Second one, what happened to the banana trees when they got water? And the answer is after getting water they become fresh and alive. Third one, what promise did Appu make to the banana trees? Appu promises the banana trees that he would give water to them every day. Now the next, from where do plants mostly get water? Mostly plants get water from the rain. Fifth one, why is rainbow wonderful? And the answer is because the rainbow is colorful and has 7 colors in it. Okay students, with this our lesson number 9 is completed. You have to write this exercise in your fair book as a homework. Okay. So from today we are going to start our new lesson about kitchen. Look at the picture. Color the space which have dots in them. What do you see? You can see here students. After coloring the spaces which have dots in them, I get this type of picture. You can see. I have seen these things in my kitchen. Where have you seen them? These are utensils, students, that we use to cook food. Let's name these utensils. You can see here students. This is frying pan. This is pot. Serving spoon. Spatula. Cooker. Frying ladle. Roasting pan and non-stick pan. Okay. You have to write the name here. These are the utensils we use to cook food in our kitchen. Okay. Students, utensils are made up of steel, brass or clay. The pressure cooker, you can see. The pressure cooker helps to cook food quickly. The kadai. Kadai is a deep frying pan used to cook vegetable and fry food items. Tawa. Tawa is used to cook chapati and parathas. Handi. Handi is used to cook rice and biryanis. And spoons are used to stirring and serving food items. Okay. Now the next. In the picture you must have found some utensils that are used for cooking. Are there any other utensils used in your house for cooking? Which are they? Idli pot, steamer, grill pan. These are the utensils used in my house. You have to write here about yours. Okay. What are utensils made of? Students, utensils can be made of steel, copper, clay, glass. You can see, students, these all are the steel utensils. These utensils made of clay. These are the copper utensils. These all are glass utensils. Ask some elderly people what kind of utensils were used earlier. What were they made of? Think and tell. Which things do we cook before eating? Which things do we eat raw? And which are the things we eat both cooked and raw? Students, foods that we can eat either be raw or cooked. Foods that is raw is fresh, does not go through any cooking process. And foods that are cooked are made by mixing many ingredients together. Okay. And what are ingredients, students? Ingredients are the individual food items that are combined to make a new dish. For example, to make a rice. To make in rice, ingredients are rice grain, water and salt. These three ingredients are combined to make rice. Okay. You can see here, students. Here we have one table. Things that are eaten raw. Which things that we can eat raw? It's fruits, carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, nuts. Things that are eaten cooked. Pulses, rice, vegetables. Things that are eaten both raw and cooked. Carrots, tomatoes, cabbage, onion. Okay, students. So in your notebook, think about this question and write your own answer. Okay. Okay, in the next video, I'll give you the additional exercise of this chapter and also explain you the paper style of EVS subject. Okay, students. Thank you.